Let's dive into risk management. Risk management has 5 phases. Identify. This is where you discover your assets, threats, vulnerabilities to identify risk. You then analyze the risk using qualitative or quantitative or a hybrid approach. This helps in understanding the potential impact of the risk to the organization. The risk is then evaluated against the business impact thresholds, regulatory limits documented within the organization. Risk is then measured against the defined risk appetite and tolerance levels. Risk appetite is the level of risk that an organization is willing to accept in pursuit of its objectives. It is defined by executive leadership and aligned with business strategy. Risk tolerance is a specific limit or threshold that define the acceptable level within that appetite. After the risk is evaluated, the next step is to treat or respond to the risk. Mitigate is to implement controls to reduce likelihood or impact of the risk. Avoid, eliminate the risk by not engaging in the activity causing it. Transfer. Shift the risk to a third party, outsource the activity, and let the vendor take responsibility of the risk, or take an insurance policy to cover damage if the risk materializes. Accept, acknowledge, and formally accept the risk without further action. After the risk is treated, we then continuously monitor the risk, review effectiveness of controls on a regular basis, and reassess as needed.